I mean, it just never ends. It's a very emotional time for us both. Have you enjoyed your time here in Vegas?
Yes,
we have some
so.
amazing news to share with people, don't we? But we're not going to share it just yet.
Be surprised.
It's a surprise. It's going to be a surprise. This has been our whip. Not that. This. Nice cheeky little X3. It's been great. We've done some miles. Oh God. So much stuff. Bags. Bags and more bags. So we thought we'd give you a quick update as to what the hell's been going on these last few weeks. So as you know, we flew over to LA and we were due to be doing the coast to coast tour with Eagle Rider, going from Los Angeles to Daytona Beach in Florida.
I'm just going to show everybody this view. Look at those mountains.
I'll carry on talking while you're showing.
There's Red Rock mountain range.
So as you'll see from a previous video, I had a small accident,
mishap,
off-road, and unfortunately I managed to break quite badly 4 ribs, which has been pretty uncomfortable. And in my usual fashion I was like, nah, just man up, you'll be fine, it won't cause you any problems. Well, it has been, and after the flight into the States and a week here, I was getting a lot of pain. I wasn't sleeping very well. Painkillers weren't doing anything. So I ended up taking a visit to a hospital in Vegas, Henderson Hospital, which actually a shout out to them. They were amazing. And then the conversation with Sean at Eagle Rider, I explained what I'd done, what my predicament was, and the problem with regards to, you know, am I going to be able to ride for 2.5 weeks, 4,000 miles, and he was in agreement straight away, as he's also experienced a very similar injury. He said, no, it's probably best to call it a day at this point, because if we start the tour and actually get going, it would be a much more difficult logistical nightmare to change and actually then maybe get rid of 2 bikes somewhere en route, and then obviously for us to then transit to somewhere else. So anyway, as a lot of you are probably very aware, we've got a bit of a love affair for America, and we've always said that we'd love to live here. So we're literally now, after a week and a half of having a look around in Vegas at property, we've decided to buy ourselves a holiday home here, which sounds really extravagant and a part of me still can't believe it. Can it you?
No, it's still really surreal, because everything happens so quickly over here.
It does. It's ridiculously quick. I mean, we looked at this house and they said to us, because we were like, okay, yeah, we'd like to go with this, you know, this is the one for us, we like what it's offering us, it's the right size, good location, which we've actually found out since we've secured it, that it's a very, very good location, which has made us very happy. We thought it would be like a month, and they were like, no, we can close in like 5 days, which is their term of completion. And so we've been literally we've spent a whole week looking at furniture. So anyway,
we've got to go and check in.
We've got to check in.
We'll
So this is our guard gated community. This is our clubhouse over here to the right.
So clubhouse entrance is just up there. It's got pickleball courts, and we're going to start learning to play pickleball.
We are. We played tennis back in the UK and we enjoy it, but apparently pickleball is a mix between badminton, tennis, and almost table tennis, because it's like half the size of a court.
So yeah, we'll video some of that.
Look at that view though. I mean,
that might be interesting.
If Stephanie's here, we'll catch her on video so you can meet our realtor.
But best check with her first.
She's been
phenomenal.
An absolute diamond, doesn't she?
She works for the agency, who are quite well known in Los Angeles, especially with Beverly Hills. Sorry, it's bin day today, but bin day is every week over here, and every 2 weeks it's bulk day, so you can put whatever you want out and they will take it, which is phenomenal.
Our handyman's there.
Our handyman.
So Steph,
Lance.
Should we go on the drive?
Yeah, we can go on the drive. Oh, the garage is open.
That's all right.
Dun, dun, dun.
Welcome home.
How exciting.
I know. Oh, and you never guess what, and we'll show you in a while, we've bought a car. I mean, no given. We've bought a house, we've bought a car. I mean, it just never ends. So anyway, we're going to go in, have a look around. We'll take you. We've got furniture arriving, we've got furniture going. There's a lot going on. It's a very emotional time for us both, isn't it? Mm. So anyway, quite a different video for us, an absolute turn of what we're meant to be doing over here, but we're absolutely elated at what we're doing, and yeah, we hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It'd be much appreciated, because the channel's growing, as you've seen. I think we're over 72,000 subs now, which is, we never thought we'd ever get anywhere near that. We thought it was going to be like a few hundred, and it's gone bonkers. But we thank you all for that. But anyway, let's get inside.
So just going to show you guys around. That's kind of the front door, and then you've got an inner porch, portico type thing, and then the front door. We're going to get some locks changed. We've got a bit of furniture. The staging company left some bits. So this is our guest bedroom. So we've got a bed coming. Guest bathroom, shower, and dressing room. So yeah, this will be kind of where parents and stuff can stay. Downstairs loo, just cupboard, and then this is family kind of bathroom. There's another cupboard, shower, and then this is the third bedroom. And then there's more storage in here. And this is the entrance hall.
Have any lights on?
No, it's fine.
I don't even know where the light switches are. So did you explain this is some of the furniture we're going to be keeping that was from the staging company?
Yeah.
So we apologise for being a bit bare at the moment.
So we've got sofas coming Thursday. We haven't got a dining set yet.
We've got Best Buy man turning up in a minute.
And then the garden is just completely bare. It's going to be a project. So watch this space as to what we do with this. But
we're going to have to do a time lapse on this.
Pretty much the view that sold it for us. It's these mountain ranges. there's walking trails around the development, and there's also walking trails all around the mountains. And then there is a strip view, but only from the club. So the club's just over here, and then the strip is beyond that. So once we can get into the club, we'll show photos. We obviously won't do that because we need to go and introduce ourselves to the neighbours, and we don't want to put a camera over the fence first.
Hiya!
We'll be there with nothing on. So there's the kitchen.
Isn't it lovely and cool in here?
It is. Stephanie's probably cranked the cooling. So then this section is the garage is out there. Utility cupboard. This is kind of like a study, I think, but glass doors. So I'm going to have to get those covered because if Mr. J's in there with his study, it's going to be a mess. And then this is our room. So this is all going to go in the spare room because we've got another bed coming. And then bathroom. Got a fizzy tub. And then dressing room, shower. And here. Those boxes aren't mine, by the way. I've not done any shopping yet. Checking the bed out. Is that alright for guests?
Do you know what? It's really nice.
Good. So, mum and dad, this will be your bed when you come and visit.
Any guest, this will be your bed.
Yeah, we need to go and get pillows, duvets and stuff, so I've got a busy day. So we'll catch up with you later. Just heading into town from Reverence, and that is the strip.
Our new whip, our Vegas whip, 2024 Audi SQ7 4-litre V8 with sports exhaust, luxury pack, you name it, it's got it. The only thing I would say is the leather is a bit bling to bling. Look at that. Oh. Carbon. You know we love a bit of carbon. today, Sunday, we decided to go for a little bit of a hike. I'm going to go and have a little mooch. Right, we've been warned that you have to be careful of snakes, scorpions, tarantulas and snakes. So we're having to keep our eyes peeled. So if you come near them, they get a bit stroppy with you.